Alright. Hello, everybody. I'm looking forward to hearing some good baby coughs today.
Some very good baby coughs. I'm so lucky to have a beautiful, wonderful co-host who definitely knows so much about baby coughing.
Okay, see, I thought that you were the expert, but here I'm learning 10 minutes before we go live that you've never heard a baby cough.
Oh, I've heard one now.
So we're on the same level. We've both heard one baby cough.
We're experts. Before you can judge a baby coughing, you must baby cough too. Wonderful.
Was that...
Everyone loved that. I think we're ready now to judge babies.
Well, what about yours?
Oh, Goo gaga.
Oh, no. I think that was good. That made me sad.
We've got many contestants here today that are gonna be fighting for the title of Best Baby Cougher.
It's a prestigious title.
Mm-hmm.
That only one can have today.
Only one person can be the best baby. So I hope everyone is ready. And let's bring on the first contestant. I'm throwing a tomato. At first, it was really shocking hearing her cough like a baby, but then it felt a little manipulative.
Yeah, and at the end, I almost heard her just regular voice peek through.
Yeah. Bring on the next contestant, please.
Hi.
So cute.
I feel like that was really good.
Yes.
I don't know.
Right off the bat, I think the Goo Goo Gaga. Oh my god, the Goo Goo Gaga. That is amazing. Impeccable Goo Goo Gaga.
For me, I was getting the sound frequencies.
Oh, we can only continue on from here. So the next contestant. She's so cute, but was it baby?
Cute. I feel like I wasn't getting coughing.
Maybe laughing baby.
Maybe
it was kind of like
laughing?
a giggling baby.
Yeah.
I was feeling happiness from her coughing. Please bring on our next contestant.
I wanted more.
She made me... I was craving... I would say baby similarity was high, because that's something... It's like the whimsy only a baby could pull off.
It's true.
Bring on the next baby! Now that was a pretty good baby.
I have to say, those sound frequencies were doing something to me.
Next contestant.
Another cute contestant.
Pretty good baby.
Another pretty good baby.
Bring on the next baby.
Goo goo gaga. Goo goo gaga.
I have to say, Goo Goo Gagas, that's a 10 in Goo Goo Gaga.
That is a 10 in Goo Goo Gagas, for sure.
What was the rocket?
Was that the hydrogen bomb?
Bring on the next baby. This one better cough. I was caught off guard, yes.
Was that a real sneeze, though?
It sounded
it's hard
like...
to fake a sneeze.
Yeah.
So if that was like a fake sneeze, that was very impressive.
I know. Bring on the next baby. My goodness. I didn't know we would be getting Sakia today.
That was very cute.
That was so cute.
Was that a real baby?
It looked like a real baby. Bring on the next baby! There's no collusion in this! According to my notes, it says that one of staff wanted to submit a coughing baby.
Thank you, staff son.
Thank you, staff son.
I feel like I was so stunned that I didn't process what I was hearing.
Bring the next baby! I think I was getting baby.
I think I called it. I think that was very good.
You really did. You did call it.
I knew it. I knew she had
had
a baby cough in her.
Next baby, please.
Bring in the babies.
She was giving baby the
She
pacifier
really
and
was.
everything.
The pacifier spitting out and then putting it back in. That was very good.
Bring on the next baby. She was not giving baby for me. She was giving sexy.
Was it the pose?
Maybe the pose influenced me. I'm ready for the next baby. Bring on the next baby. Where did she go?
Another simple performance.
That
This
leaves
one.
us wanting. Bring on the next baby. It appears that this is the last
Our
baby.
final baby?
Our final baby. I'm speechless.
That sounded like a real baby. She
That-
sounded almost disappointed in herself at the end there, but I was not left disappointed.
Yes, I would hire this baby. Well, I think that there is not a very clear winner, which is a problem because we only have enough funding to send one person on the all-expensed trip.
Uh-oh.
Before we announce the winners today, can we give a round of applause for our backstage?
Thank you, both.
Beautiful backstage! And one final thing. I had Rhea chase down this contestant far low. Like, I had her running around everywhere. I was working her to the bone to get this contestant. But when she got the video from the contestant, I immediately disqualified them because it was not a baby cough. But I've decided to play the video here for you today, Fauna.
For me?
Yes.
Hi, Series Fauna of Hololive Promise. It's me, Northern Lion. And you're awesome.
Is this real?
It's real!
real life?
It is a real video!
Is that
You
the
cannot
secret?
see that in setup. It was the secret in setup.
This was literally the last thing I was ever expecting.
Yay!
Oh
what
my
a beautiful, joyous
goodness.
day. I will send you the video for you to keep.
Thank you. the frightening eye contact. I will cherish it forever. Oh my goodness, I'm shocked. I was expecting Yago, baby.
And drum roll! The winners tied today is Liz and Zeta! Congratulations! You win! Oh, out of all these contestants, it is Liz and Zeta! You win an all-paid expensed trip to somewhere! Let's see
Somewhere.
the winners enjoy their vacation. Oh, Liz, yes! Congratulations, Liz.
Beautiful trophy right there.
Beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Yes, this is where we
Oh.
spent all our money on. She's on her expense trip
Going where exactly? Oh,
somewhere.
somewhere.
She is somewhere.
Looks nice. She's laying there. She looks so comfy.
And she gets to have a lovely dinner date
Oh,
with the trophy.
With the trophy.
Congratulations,
Wow.
Liz.
Congratulations.
And Zeta, she also gets the same exact trip. Ready
There's
for
our
the trip.
baby.
There's our baby, the babies of today. Truly, truly beautiful. The same exact trip.
You would think they could have gone together.
No,
They
no.
wouldn't have to eat dinner just with the trophies.
They had to go one at a time. It doesn't make sense to have two babies go on the same trip.
Yeah, lots to take care of, I guess. Two babies.
Thank you, everyone, for joining us today. And thank you to my wonderful co-host, Series Fauna!
Oh, thank you, Gigi. Thank you for having me. This has been a great time.
Very, very happy to have had you. I hope everyone, please, keep voting for our show. If we get very good reviews, maybe they'll keep us on air. If not, look forward to a canceled announcement next week. Who knows?
Oh, I don't have a good feeling about this one.
雪后有那北风萧萧，天地一片你苍白。